We all know that your business needs to be productive, efficient, and you would like to retain the top talent to succeed. Have you ever considered the role that your material handling equipment plays in how your business operates, day in, day out? If not, you should. My name is Bob Hasenstab. I am product manager at Linde, a member of the Kion Group, and I have been focused on the hydrostatic machines for over 30 years. We have consistently used the latest technology, and our principles have always been to create the best possible machine to meet your business needs and to meet the needs of your operator. We do this by focusing on ergonomics, productivity, and total cost of ownership. How do we combine productivity, safety, and ergonomics into the design of the forklift and at the same time achieve low total cost of ownership? It does not mean that some of these objectives are mutually exclusive. With the right approach and commitment, it is certainly possible to achieve high productivity without jeopardizing safe operation. It is possible to limit operator fatigue and distraction and achieve productive operation in a safe environment. Make operating the truck a positive experience for the driver rather than being excessively physically worn out at the end of the day. Let me introduce you to your new and future forklift. When I talk about this machine, I will point out a lot of the designed in of the passive safety features. One would be high stability. The stability helps to have confidence on the driver's side and be productive. So we have a low center of gravity, off and on with a true 3-point grab. Then you have a standard adjustable, fully adjustable hydraulic seat, built-in seat belt, adjustable backrest, and on the right side we have the armrest. Now the armrest contains the control handles. It contains some operational switches. The horn is built in here so that the operator does not have to leave this operating surface. In order to make it convenient for the operator, we have a 1-screw adjustment. The operator can fix this armrest to exactly where he feels it will be supportive all day. Then when the operator hits uneven pavement, potholes don't go away for anybody, the armrest rides with the operator's hand. That means that the operator does not have to adjust the positioning. It will be comfortable all day without stressing. In the armrest there's also the directional lever. We go forward and we can go backward. When we start the machine, the key is built in here, and the start-stop switch is also in the armrest. What I'd like you to pay attention to is how we operate the working hydraulics. We have on this truck 4 levers. If necessary, there could be a 5th one. Lift and lower, tilt, and these would be occupied by an attachment. To operate the hydraulics, the operator does not have to make any other decision than what function to manipulate. If I want to lift, I can do that slow and fast by the positioning of the lever without moving any other handle, foot pedal, or raise and lower the engine RPM. No inching pedal, no other involvement. Just again, only that lever. Where's the advantage? The advantage is it stresses less. It also eliminates from the operator decision how much power to apply to the engine. It's all done automatically. This helps productivity. Operators are always fresh. And it helps your total cost of ownership, because the engine RPM is responsible for energy consumption. And if it's always only as fast as needed, then you save energy. This is responsible for our advantage in energy consumption to the tune of 40, 50, sometimes 60% less energy consumed. Your total cost of ownership. What goes for the operating hydraulic is also valid for the travel control. We have an accelerator pedal and we have a stop pedal. The accelerator pedal is on the right, just like the gas pedal on your car. So that the operator has to have in an emergency. Going from the gas pedal to the stop pedal is something that for most people is known since they have their first driving lessons at the age of 15. Gas, stop. So this reflex does not have to be retaught, relearned. It is already there. Automotive reflex raises the confidence level of the operator to be able to work this machine. At the same time, we also make sure that the operator does not have to rev up the engine again. Just like on the hydraulic controls, the truck will pick the necessary RPM, revolutions per minute, engine power, whatever you call that. The truck supplies that necessary movement on its own. So the driver only has to pick the direction, raise the forks, and then slowly push the pedal. Travel forward is by moving the gas pedal, and stop is by stop. Backwards, the same way. As you can hear, the engine revs up only as much as necessary for this small movement. It revs up more when we go faster. The key to energy consumption is engine revolutions. If we can control that, keep it out of the operator decision, we lower your total cost of ownership, and we lower the stress on the operator's attention to details that we do not need to have. You have seen a glimpse of how these machines are engineered to support your operator and business through applied ergonomics and lower total cost of ownership. You have also seen firsthand how these trucks are built to support the operator and assist your business in lowering the risk of accidents, incidents, and lost time injuries. Thank you for your time today. I would like to leave you with one final thought. With financing solutions now available, this truck is not expensive to have, but it may be expensive not to have.